This time of year, I'm just settling into cozier things, Hallmark, Christmas movies. I made this granny square cardigan for myself last year, and I get lots of compliments on it when I wear it, all the bright colors, and it's a labor of love. It takes about 30 minutes to make one square, and there are 48 of them. And then I have to steam press all of them to get them sized more cohesively. And then I have to piece them together and add the trim work. And so I'm working on one of those now for my daughter. And actually I can show you that. These are the squares here that I'm working on now. And then I just like it to feel homey. This little shelf right here, I got it in Amish country in Holmes County in Ohio less than a month ago. It was $28, and then everything else I found thrifting. So I actually bought this little base down here first, and then had to find the globes separately. I got that in Metamora, Indiana, down by the canal, which was lovely for like $2. And I think that's about what the base was. I ordered the candles off of Temu. And then the little Burl and Ives type plate in the background, I spent 99 cents on at the thrift store. And that little plant there was just $1.49. And then down here, I already had the pumpkin, but it was 99 cents when I got it. And then I just love this little tea light teapot. If you can see, there's a little flicker candle in there. And so that's really sweet as well. So you don't have to spend big bucks to create just an atmosphere that's homey. We just have to kind of go for it. I can show you one other thing that makes fall feel so cozy right now. Got a little bit of junk around there because I guess I can show you this. I got this little old recipe box at the thrift store this evening, and you can see I had to take out a little plate that was in there, and I'm going to sand it and refinish it, probably Mod Podge, some type of pretty paper in there. But then this I got at the thrift store right here. I think that was $5, and I love the shape of it. Bought the little bowl and added just the wax melts, and the house smells so good. So that little corner right there is just very cozy as well. And this little flicker candle I can turn on and just kind of make it even more homey there. So hope you enjoy that little tour of things that are just comforting me here in the fall now. Have a great day. Bye.